In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Subitems in Monday.com effectively, whether you're new to this task management tool or simply looking for a refresher. I've got you covered. Let's dive in. When you first open your Monday.com board, you'll notice it's neatly organized into columns and rows. Each row typically represents a task or item, while each column can symbolize various criteria or attributes related to those tasks. The default view can provide an overarching snapshot of your projects, but diving deeper is essential to breaking down tasks into more manageable chunks. This is where subitems come in handy. To add subitems, direct your attention to the first column. As you hover over a cell in this column, you'll notice an arrow or caret appearing beside it. This is Monday.com's way of saying, here's where you can expand and explore more. Clicking on this arrow or caret will expand the cell, revealing options that let you add relevant subitems to your main item. It's a simple yet powerful feature for enhancing your project management capabilities. Once you've expanded the cell, you'll be presented with a space to start detailing your subitems. This is where you can get specific. Perhaps you're working on a comprehensive marketing plan with several campaigns under it. By breaking this down into subitems, you can track each campaign separately, assign tasks to different team members, and set specific deadlines. The flexibility here allows your main item to act as a container for all related tasks, offering a clear hierarchical structure that helps you stay organized. Now, start typing away, adding as many subitems as you need. For every subitem you add, you're essentially breaking down larger tasks into bite-sized pieces that are easier to handle. This not only boosts productivity, but also gives a clear picture of how the project is progressing overall. As you add your subitems, keep in mind that you can customize them further, just like you would with any main item. Assign team members, set priority levels, and even integrate other tools to ensure seamless workflow. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully added subitems to your Monday.com board. This method is straightforward and gives you the power to handle even the most complex projects with finesse. Remember, organizing your tasks into subitems can transform your workflow by providing clear, structured divisions that make task management less overwhelming. By using subitems, you can ensure no detail gets lost, priorities are clear, and team members know precisely what they need to focus on. If you found this guide helpful, consider watching more tutorials to further optimize your use of Monday.com. The more tips and tricks you learn, the more efficient and productive your project management endeavors will be. Thanks for tuning in and happy organizing.